morning. Good, how are you? I'm in room 228, and I did extend for a day. I made a reservation, but I know you know how to do it differently. But it doesn't matter if you want to end this one, and I can put a new deposit down. Okay. How much are the noodles? Okay. Oh, these are individual packs. Tylenol PM or Advil PM, how much are they?
$3.
Okay. I might have to come back for those.
The room number is 58?
Yes.
You pay deposit with the card?
Yes. Yes.
Hey, I'm just checking out.
Okay, thank you.
And will the deposit go right back to me?
Yes.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Okay.
How are you going to pay it?
Card. That's fine. Got it.
Oh. Thank you.
Okay, you have your ID with you?
I sent it to the phone. Would you like me to resend it?
Yeah.
Okay. I do have a question for you. So you know we're awaiting the bank for the other deposit. Since I'm physically here right now, like since I paid with card and cash, could we do it in cash to resolve it? From a previous day?
Yeah, no, I mean, then.
We have to wait on them?
Yes.
Okay.
Because you cannot know like they have already.
It would be
processed,
2,
yes.
right. Okay, no, that's not a problem. I just had to ask because I was like, we don't know how long it'll be.
Okay. So do I give you the key, right?
Yes, you did. All right, no problem. So I'm pretty sure he charged me more than my other reservation, and maybe a new one. He said pretty much he's not giving me them $30 back. That's what the agent said. He said that's the only way he has to look in and attack me. Good morning. I have a quick question for you. I'm sorry to disturb you. I'm at like 228. Can I get linen and towels? Can I bring them down and get new ones? I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll bring them right now. But yeah, they said it's the only way that he has to look in and attack me. Said as long as that's outstanding and unsettled, that he has a way to suggest that it just happened. Is what they said. But he did return this last deposit. That's what I was looking for on the other portfolio that I didn't see. The reason I called, even though despite him saying, he did return it, it's not there. So nothing's going to be coming back from a card, and there's some truth to him kind of screwing me. They said something about 60 days. One of the employees has mentioned to me 90 days. Let my dog outside. Puppy dog with you. You too cute to be out there. Get in here. Come inside of here. Come on. But let me pour this one in.